Pero sorry sir, hindi na po natin pwedeng gamitin yan. Baka contaminated na yan. So, kuha na lang tayo ng bago?
Ma'am, ayoko po eh.
Peter, bakit ayaw mo?
May tinatago ka ba, Peter?
Ma'am, wala po.
Oh, yun naman pala. Bakit ayaw mo kukunin ito?
Ma'am, takot po kasi ako sa karayom eh.
Pwede naman pong saliva na lang din yung gamitin natin.
Pinsan ni Basil ang staff niyang si Peter?
Ipapa-DNA test daw siya, but according to Papa, his story checks out.
May kapalit pala agad na Palacios yung dala ni Beverly, no?
Alam mo, kawawa rin si Beverly. She may be Basil's other woman, but she was still a person. And a mother. Alam mo bang bago siya mamatay, I even offered her money
For what?
for her unborn child.
You gave Beverly money?
Ano ba gustong bili ko sa kanya? Panghalang ko? Inigo, I'm a married man.
Sasabihin mo ba kay George na may nabuntis kang ibang babae?
I don't need to tell George anything.
But she's your wife.
And so, she's just a future mother of my child. Just like Beverly. If anything, dapat na magpasalamat sa akin si Beverly eh. I gave her such a huge amount of money.
So you're going to get your child pagkatapos ng mga anak?
Beverly's just a vessel. Alright? And that kid you're talking about, that's a Palacios. My heir. Ako lang ang may karapatan sa magiging anak ko.
Malaking gulo to kapag nagkataon.
Well, I know Beverly won't say anything because I just made her a rich woman. So, paano malalaman ni George? Sino nagkasabi sa kanya? How would my wife know? Unless sasabihin mo sa kanya? Inigo, are you planning to betray me?
I will never betray you. Never.
You're so silly. I know that. I know you won't tell on me. And that's why you're my best friend. My bestest friend in the whole world.
I really wanted that baby. Dahil anak siya ng asawa ko. God, I miss my husband.
I miss him too. I miss my friend. My best friend in
the whole world. Ano nang gagawin ko? Ano nang gagawin ko? Mapubuking ako nito eh.